Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah wa kafa wa salamun ala ibadihillazina istafa amma ba'd. My respected brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Here is the very first hadith Pak of Al-Bukhari Sharif about intention. Hazrat Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu said, I heard Allah's messenger saying, the reward of deeds depends upon the intentions, and every person will get the reward according to what he has intended. So, whoever migrated for worldly benefits or for a woman to marry, his migration was for what he migrated for. Explanation. The Prophet ﷺ said, this on this occasion of someone's migration from Mecca to Medina, not for the sake of the Islamic cause, but to marry a woman who had conditioned that he should migrate if he wanted to marry her. Anyhow, this Hadith Pak implies a general principle. Example, one is rewarded for his deeds according to his real intentions, not according to the actual deeds, which might be good in themselves but motivated by an ill intention. So, brother and sister, we got this lesson from here. Before starting any action, any aamal, any deed, we should purify our intention. We should check our intention. Why are we doing this? So, our intention of every deed should be to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala alone. Then, inshallah, we get the reward. The may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us, give us tawfiq, that we keep our eye open on our intention. And even before we purify our intention, during the action, sometimes we should check our intention. At the end of, also we should check our intention. Shaitan is our enemy. He may mess up our intention anytime. And in the end of the action, we should make dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Ya Allah, accept this deed. Ameen. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.